Chippewa Falls Parks and Recreation Director Dick Hebert announced his retirement earlier this week after over 37 years in the position. Our own Felicity Bosk met with him at his favorite park to learn more about his accomplishments over his years in public service.
Dick Hebert only had one career goal in mind when he graduated from UW-La Crosse. He wanted to work for the YMCA, but while waiting for a job opening, something else came up: the position of recreation supervisor in his hometown of Chippewa Falls.
I applied for the job. I got the job and was thinking, get some experience and pursue your dream of working at a YMCA, and I stayed with the city for 37 years.
His job was to hire and oversee the staff for the recreation programs. He says he must have hired thousands of people in the 27 years he held the position.
I'm really proud of the number of programs that we offered, and they were very well run and very popular.
Dick has been the director of the Parks and Rec Department for nearly a decade now, and with the support of City Council, Mayor, and the Park Board, he has accomplished a long list of city improvements, such as building the new Welcome Center Urban Park, improving the zoo, and renovating playgrounds at parks all across the city.
We've added a lot of new playground equipment.
One area of work that has not yet been completed is at Casper Park, where Hebert has been working to add a disc golf course.
And I know that's one project that I want to see completed, and I will be staying involved with that project even in retirement.
He also wants to begin work on the new master plan for Flag Hill, like renovating the bathrooms and adding stairs to walk from Flag Hill to Lower Urban Park. He also wants to get started on plans to renovate Marshall Park before he retires on March 31st. As for why he's retiring after all these years, Hebert says his wife is starting a new job that involves a lot of traveling, and he wants to travel with her. While he's looking forward to this new chapter, he's grateful for the impact he's been able to leave on Chippewa Falls.
I'm really thankful I was able to. Hopefully, I think I've improved their quality of life, and I'm really proud of that. And I haven't taken that for granted.
Looking back, he doesn't regret not getting that YMCA job when he sees so many people enjoying Chippewa Falls parks.
I didn't know for sure what I wanted to do, what degree I wanted to get at UW-La Crosse, and I'm really happy that I decided to get the Parks and Rec degree.
Hebert says he didn't accomplish anything alone and thanks everyone who's ever donated money or volunteered their time to improving the city's parks.